but there were a bunch of movers on Tuesday's trading session with a huge amount of volume and delivery data as well. Hormaz has stacked those numbers up for us. Hormaz.
Morning, Manglam, and some interesting movers on the volumes and the delivery front, and Sun Pharma was one of them. The stock, of course, fell after that BOFA downgrade on Tuesday, snapped a 4-day gaining streak. But an interesting observation over the last 10 sessions is the fact that the volumes when the stock falls have always been higher than the volumes when the stock has moved higher in these last 10 trading sessions. Now, you take a look at Tuesday's trade itself. You had 45 lakh shares changing hands compared to a 20-day average of just around 24 lakh, and almost 28 lakh shares out of those were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just around close to 15 lakh shares. That was Sun Pharma. The other one that managed to buck the trend amidst all of this broader market sell-off on Tuesday was Craftsman Automation, and this stock has gained in 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions, and in the last 3 months we've seen the stock gain more than between 3 to 7% on at least 5 instances, and all 5 instances have resulted in very high volumes compared to the usual trading volume that the stock has. Now, even on Tuesday, almost 2 lakh shares changed hands compared to a 20-day average of just 70,000, and almost 1.25 lakh of those shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average which is just 25,000. Now, the stock has already been a wealth creator, almost 5x from its IPO price of 1490. The IPO came in March of 2021. PG Electroplast is one of them, and it's not necessarily on the volumes front, but how trading activity has increased in the stock after that big fall it saw on the day when it cut its guidance after its results. Now, take a look at this. Before the 8th of August, from starting of the year till the 8th of August, the usual trading volume for PG Electroplast was close to 20 lakh shares or 25 lakh shares. After the 8th of August, the daily average of the last 12 trading sessions has been almost 90 lakh shares in PG Electroplast. Now, on Tuesday's session also, we saw at almost there have been 5 instances in these last 12 sessions where there more than 1 crore shares have changed hands in a single day. Now, if you compare that to from the start of the year till the 7th of August, there was only one such instance where more than 1 crore shares changed hands in a single day. Now, even in Tuesday's session, because of this heightened activity, 80 lakh shares had changed hands compared to a 20-day average of 93 lakh shares because of this heightened trading activity, and 21 lakh shares out of those were marked for delivery out of the, which is also lesser than the 20-day average of close to 22 lakh shares. So, heightened activity in PG Electroplast and Craftsman Automation managing to buck the trend in a broader market sell-off.
Thanks very much, Hormaz, for that.